Hey guys, I am Shana here. This video is going to be about my makeup haul when I went to Ulta, like the first time and the second time. So I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that I got, and I really hope you guys like it. Okay, so the first thing that I got, this is my Morphe palette. Excuse the way it looks. I just literally got it about a week and a half ago. Well, I'll say like 2 weeks ago, really. It was like my first time that I went to Ulta. It's called the Artistry palette. I can see it on the back of here, actually. And I'm actually all the shades that's in here, I use them on my face. And if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, I actually have another YouTube video that I just posted recently, so you guys can check that out. But yeah, I love the shades that are all in here, and I'm just super excited to show you guys what other looks I can achieve with this palette. I also got, this is a NYX, I already opened it. It's a NYX, it's called a NYX Tame Frame eyeliner. So I got this one right here. This is gonna be in the shade Black. Then I also got some Makeup Revolution. I got some luxury baking powder. This is gonna be in this shade Terracotta right here. I use it underneath my eyes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it again because I've been using e.l.f. translucent powder, and with this I found out it really is really yellow. I kind of feel like it changed the way my makeup looked. It added like a yellow tone onto my face that was not necessarily there before, of course. All right, and then the next thing I got was this Makeup Revolutionary, why do I keep saying revolutionary? Anyways, I got the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is going to be in the shade 618. I absolutely love this contour. This is actually going to be a liquid or creamy, I would say, and it's just, it just flows on so well. And what I use to do that, I actually got a angled brush from e.l.f. as well. Out of there, it's called a sculpting face brush, and I just used it just to go up and I brushed it up to the sides and stuff. But this was just so perfect. It took me a long time finding this because before what I was using actually a MAC brush. This is actually a blush. I was using a MAC blush as my contour. So the next thing that I got was I got this lip cream. It's a soft matte lip cream, and this is going to be in the shade Copenhagen, I guess it's called. And this is a dark shade. I'm going to be showing you guys another video where I have like a bunch of dark shades that I use for dark skin. It's like a dark, purplish or blackish color, I would say. I'm really excited to use this. Then the next thing I got was this Makeup Revolution London palette. This is called Real Loaded. I was inside there asking the girl for a person that worked in there for a blush. They had no blushes that could match my skin tone. I was looking for something dark. Everything they had inside there was like light, and what I wanted they just didn't have. So I'm gonna have fun with this new makeup or blush palette. She was telling me that I can use either this shade right here, or I think it was this shade right here. I was thinking I could use this shade too. Oops, that one right here as well. So yeah, anyways, on to the next one. I also got this prep blur stick as well. This is something I've never tried before. I usually use like a liquid primer. This is going to be like a stick, I would say, she said, and people use this to like cover up the pores. So she was saying you can apply it here and then apply it right here. So I'm really excited to show you guys that, and it looks like that. As you can see, it's a stick. It's come out. Yeah, it does come out. Let me see how it looks on my hand. You can't even see it. It has no color to it. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking forward to using that as well. And I also got my falsies I was telling you guys about. I actually did use one already. This is gonna be Wispies by Ardell, and I have them on right now. They're really pretty. And then the next color that I got, this is going to be a lip liner. This is in the shade Prune. I got these really just to match a lot of my lip glosses that I got. Then this next this is actually called a soft matte lip cream as well. This is going to be in the shade Mandarin. And this I would say is like a dark red kind of per se. It's really pretty. Besides that, I got another nude as well. This is a pink nude. I love nudes. This is called Euro Trash. Ooh. And this is by NYX Lingerie Gloss. I'm really excited about this as well. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hands really quick for you guys. Yeah, that is pretty. I can rock this like almost every single day. I also needed me a new foundation. So I wanted to go with this Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. This is the normal to oily, and this is going to be in the shade 370. This is going to be a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is called Eau de Dubai. So this is actually Eau de Dubai, and I'm going to show you guys how this looks as well. I should have showed you guys all the colors, really. This is going to be in that shade. This is pretty, yeah. Then I got this lip, it's a NYX Matte Lip Liner, and this is called Clubhopper. This is the shade right here. Use my broken nail. That's it right there. That is actually not bad at all. Some mascara. I was running out. This is the best mascara. It was only like $2. I think it was. It was only $2 or $3. Actually, it was $5. My bad. But this is like literally the best mascara. It's by Essence and it's called Lash Princess. And the one that I have is called the False Lash Effect. Oh my gosh. When I tell you that you really can achieve the falsy lashes, like, you really can. I got another lip liner. This is an Espresso because I was telling you guys earlier on my other video that when I actually tried it, it's this shade right here. This one, this brown. All right, so this is going to be in the shade Mahogany, and I want to show you guys as well. This is the shade right here. That is so pretty, isn't it? And then I also got this shade as well. This is going to be in the shade Clubhopper. That just sounds popping. And this is it right here. It's going to be nice. And last but not least, I actually got this Precise Eyeliner brush. And this is going to be by Essence. It came in this. And this is only like $1 something. Whatever, $1 something. And I got it because I needed it for my eyebrows, and I was using it with my gel eyeliner, and I just wanted something a little bit more precise. I did originally purchase a brush from e.l.f., but it wasn't tapered like how this right here is just slanted. How it's slanted, it was never like that. It was more just like a curve, and I felt like it was better to, you know, after drawing in my eyebrows with this brush, it was better to use that other brush to go underneath and just really, you know, make it real nice and lined up. So that's pretty much what I used and what I did. I also got this brush as well last time I went there as well. This is the blending brush by e.l.f. as well. So I really hope that you guys love watching this video. I tried to make it as short and fast as possible for you guys. So if you guys want to keep on watching more videos like this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys can follow me on my Instagram handle. I really hope you guys love watching this video. So see you guys next time. Bye.